welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria, I'm 19 years old and I'm from Germany. As you can probably tell by the way I look like, we are doing a makeup tutorial today and we are going to do a Tomie makeup look. I know some of you are going to be like, okay, you're like way too late to the party, and I felt so too. And I was really sad about it because I really wanted to do this makeup look, but I kind of like missed the trend. But I saw a Tomie video on my For You page yesterday and I was like, okay, we are going into round 2 and this time I'm not going to miss. I have my inspo right here and I hope it's gonna go well. I must say I'm going to try to make it look a little less intimidating, so like a little more for everyday wear. I already did my brows and put a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, so we are getting right into eyeshadow right now. I wasn't sure which eyeshadow palette to go with, so I picked 2 cool toned eyeshadow palettes, but I think I'm gonna start with the clear one. As always, we want to create a nice base first, so I'm gonna start off with a really bushy eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna use like the lightest color, the color that is closest to my skin tone. I'm not gonna lie, this one is already pretty dark for me, but it's fine because this makeup look is going to be a little messy and dark anyways, so it's okay. Usually I would try to go lighter, but it's fine. Since I feel like this whole look is pretty cool toned, I'm gonna go with this color next. I put the first color all over my eyelid and I'm gonna center this one more in my crease and blend it out at the end of my eye. Usually I would just use the same brush and like the rest of the eyeshadow that's still on it and blend it out a little bit underneath my eyes as well, just so it's blending in a little more. But as I already mentioned, this eyeshadow look is a little darker and mysterious, so we're gonna use a smaller brush and blend the same color underneath the eye as well. It's the first time I'm talking that much while filming a makeup video, so my brain is lagging a little bit. But we will get through this together. I gotta learn and improve. We are gonna need black Kajal, which is something I don't work with a lot, so I'm a little scared of this. Oh, it's also not really sharp. Do I have like a sharpener right here? Is that the English word? I think so, right? It's getting embarrassing now. Well, I guess we gotta work with what we have, and I hope I don't stab myself. Oh god. Also because I have to hold the mirror with my other hand, so I only have one hand. Oh my god, how am I supposed to do that? Wait. Grundgütiger. Warum ist dieser Müll so schwer? So I did it on top now, which was still fine, but I have to put black underneath as well, and I'm scared of that. I'm actually gonna use my eyebrow pencil for this and then blend it out with a really sharp brush because I do not trust myself with the Kajal underneath my eye because this one is a lot more precise. I hope it lasts too, but we will find out. Staying close to my lash line. Okay, the girl that I have as inspo on Pinterest right now is doing it like all the way to the front. I don't know if that will look good on my eye shape though. I highly doubt it. Okay, blending it out with like this brush now. If you've been following me for a longer time, you know that I'm more like of an angelic look kind of girl, and I don't use dark colors like this on my eyes usually. This is crazy to me. Even after filming beauty content every day for over a year, I'm still scared of drawing on eyeliner on camera. Oh my god. Okay, concentrate. She has like a really lifted eyeliner. It's like really giving cat eye, but it's not even like, it doesn't go down to like the end of her eye. She pulls it up further before. Did that make sense? I don't know if that was proper English. I hope you understand what I meant. I think it's cute, but I don't know if it's intense enough. I actually have a small mole on this side and I always use it as like my eyeliner guide because I have to draw right through it. Mascara time! One thing, if you want to like kind of have that manga lash effect, but you do not want to like always manually have to stick your lashes together, then take a mascara and just do this. Like, rub it like that and wait until the eyelashes start sticking together a little bit, and then you can direct them in the way you want them to. I always do my bottom lashes like this. Like, I only do the ones that are like at the end of my eye, and I also try to make them spiky because I don't know, I feel like it gives you this kind of unnatural effect that makes you look like a doll. Like, it's not, I don't know, but I like what it does. Actually, in the picture that I'm looking at, this picture, there's like dark Kajal in like the inner corner as well, but I generally think it doesn't look good on my eye shape. Like, whenever I do it, it just looks messy and it doesn't like look good with the rest of my eye. And I also don't like it because my eyes start tearing up during the day, and then like it just becomes like a black clog in the front of my eye. It looks bad. I don't like it. However, we're gonna add a little bit of white highlighter because I cannot live without it. I always use a brush like this, like it's flat and long. I don't know what it actually is for. Fun fact, I actually do not have any plan what brush exactly is for what. I just do whatever works for me. That's one thing with a lot of Korean glitters. I have not really found like the perfect white glitter. I have one in a Roman palette, which I really like. But a lot of the times the white glitter is not really white. Like, it has like, when light comes on it, it has like blue particles as well and stuff. I don't know, I don't like it. Now we're gonna do something that's a little fun and crazy and quirky. We're gonna put concealer on my lips because we want the lip color that we're gonna put on to actually just look like the color that we put on, not like the color on top of our natural color, you know? I'm gonna put the Etude House Fixing Lip Tint in the color Salmon Brick. I hope the color is good enough. I haven't used it in a while because I've been more into like brown tones lately. Okay, now we're gonna add some more highlighter right here. Oh yes. And we obviously cannot forget about the Tomie beauty mark. There it is, we got it on. I just tried styling my curtain bangs up as far as I could to make them look like bangs. Gotta be honest, I'm not a fan of this. I don't think it suits me. I'm not a bangs girly. I used to have bangs when I was a child, like really straight bangs. But yeah, no. Nope. My hair is not made for this, or my face is not made for this.